I have an old Dell Latitude laptop in the house. I upgraded the RAM and changed its hard disk to SSD drive. I wasn't going to use the DVD drive anymore, so I removed it. But I have a spare SSD, so I mounted two SSD drives instead of one, using an optical drive adapter that you can find online. I'm Abraham, and you're watching Iraqi Tech Geek. This is a very simple task. All you need is an optical drive adapter, SSD drive, Phillips head screwdriver, and some screws. Wait for it. I'll put links in the description. Gently slide the hard disk into the new adapter until it connects with the pins. Flip the adapter over and put the screws so they could hold the hard drive. Remove the battery before plugging in the new hard drive. Put the battery back on and run the machine. When you're logged in, right-click on Start menu and choose Disk Management. Then select the new disk that we plugged in. Right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. Simply click Next and use the quick format. Now the drive is ready to use. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial and I will see you next time.